Hey guys, welcome to the Pixel Gallery add-on tutorial. Today we'll discuss a very minimalistic yet awesome gallery widget, the Ocean Gallery. The widget has already been dropped inside the page, as you can see. Hovering over the gallery images or items reveals a content window with the title and meta text on top. The hover window quickly vanishes once the cursor goes past the item. You'll also notice a slight zoom effect over the background image as soon as you hover. That's the kind of minimalistic animation the Ocean Gallery widget offers. Now, from the options on your left, you can switch between custom and dynamic galleries as you wish. Dynamic gallery mode will load gallery content directly from your WordPress database. The source could be posts, pages, or other content. The query section will let you tweak the options for the source of the gallery. But we are moving with a custom content for this time. Below the source option, you will find the row gap scroll bar for horizontal spacing adjustments and then the column gap scroll bar for vertical spacing adjustments. Then comes the item height adjustment and an item alignment option. The masonry switcher below lets you transform the interface into masonry. That means you could mix up the layout with different sizes of the gallery content. Let's leave it on for now. After that, the three switchers close to the bottom let you show or hide the title, meta, and pagination from the display. You can actually customize the dimension of all images inside the gallery through the image size option here. Then clicking on the link option and selecting media file will transform the gallery items into clickable links. With Lightbox set to yes, clicking the gallery items will open them in Lightbox view. Next, the items section holds all the gallery items in a list view with buttons to add more, close current ones, and duplicate an existing item. Then clicking on an item box will let you select an image for that item. You can continue editing the title, meta text, and URL also. To make the gallery look complete, feel free to fill in all gallery items with images and titles. Once you're done, you should be left with an attractive image gallery layout. In addition, you can add an entrance animation to the image gallery from the next section here. Just enable the switcher and you'll be able to see the default animation loaded instantly. Using all the controls here, you can create different types of animation effects very easily. In case you don't need an extra animation, just switch it off. Then jumping into the Style tab, the first section lets you change the background, border, and border radius of the items. There are also margin and padding options available. From the Content section, let's change the background color of it and choose a subtle color for the content part. We can decorate it with a bit of border around the content area with whites for the border color and values in border radius and padding fields. Then from the title section, you can make the text color white and then go for a custom font style through the typography options. Just take your time to adjust the font. The same type of calibration is preferable for the meta text. First the color, then the typography. All done, now you get a nice looking image gallery forged with the Ocean widget. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.